At this point, we have to focus on the fourth section of the page, which is going to be the Contact Me part. So let's put a container over here and give it a height of hide device, as this part is supposed to be a bit longer than the other ones. Now, inside the child, let's write column and set the main axis alignment to the main axis alignment space evenly. Inside the children, we need to call the widget named SenseBold, which expects a text. Write Contact Me here and give it a size of 40. Once you're done, simply go ahead and reload it. Let's see what we've got. Cool, it showed up. Now let's move on to the next part. So first, we are going to code some forms that the visitors of our page will use in order to give us their details, and this way we will be able to contact them. Let's put a row then, and set the main axis alignment to the main axis alignment dot space evenly. Inside the children, I am going to write a column. The column's gonna have children as well. I'm gonna give them a widget called text form field for collection of the information from users. Before writing anything inside the text form field, I am going to wrap it with sized box. Alternatively, you could also use a container. Now, let me put a comma over here and reformat it. When it comes to the width, we can give it a width of 350. Alright, it's time to restart the app and see how far we have gone. Wait a second. Here is our page. And let's scroll down a bit. So this is the text form field here. When we click on it or focus on it, we can observe some default decoration changes. Also, we can write something inside if we want. Let's close it. And now what we need to do is tap into the decoration property, write input decoration, then inside the brackets, tap into the enabled border property and write outline input border and give it the border side, which means basically the outline preferences. It accepts border side. You can give it a color. Now, choosing a color is very important if you remember from before, as we want to keep the consistency of colors throughout the web app. Therefore, we are supposed to select the teal accent, but we cannot choose it here because the color would be a bit too light and the users wouldn't see it properly. In its place, we can simply put colors.teal, which is gonna be a perfect match. Although the color issue has not been resolved completely yet. We will get back to it in a bit.